Fermentative production of vitamin B12. Animation by Mr. Mangesh More, ABCP Sangli. Introduction. Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, is a crystalline water-soluble compound essential for health and fertility. Higher organisms cannot synthesize it, but the microflora of intestine is responsible for its production. It is found in very low concentration in animal tissue, for example 1 ppm in liver. It is a compound containing choline ring with central cobalt atom in its structure. Choline ring has 4 pyrrole units. Cobalt present at the center of the choline ring is bonded with 4 pyrrole nitrogens. It is obtained as a byproduct of streptomyces fermentation in the production of some antibiotics, for example streptomycin and chloramphenicol production. Chemical structure. It is a compound with choline ring, that is central cobalt atom with 4 pyrrole units. Commercial production. Chemical synthesis is impractical. Submerged fermentation is used for commercial production of vitamin B12. Sewage sludge solids can also be extracted for vitamin B12. This method is done in US. Microorganisms required. Different microorganisms are required for the fermentative production. Propionibacterium shermani and Pseudomonas denitrificans are one of the significant microorganisms which have reasonably high amount of yield. A new hybrid variety, that is Pseudomonas protamicus, Rudopseudomonas protamicus, it gives us highest amount of yield, which is 135 mg per liter. Production of vitamin B12 using Propionibacterium species. Propionibacterium prudenici and Propionibacterium shermani and their mutants are used for fermentative production. Propionibacterium shermani is very ideal variety. This is the biosynthesis of vitamin B12. Production process. Process is carried out by adding cobalt in 2 phases, anaerobic phase and aerobic phase. Anaerobic phase, here no aeration and agitation is done. It is a preliminary phase that may take 2 to 4 days. 5-deoxyadenosylcobinamide is predominantly formed in this phase. Aerobic phase. In this phase, 5,6-dimethyl benzimidazole is produced from riboflavin, which is incorporated to finally form coenzyme of vitamin B12, that is 5-deoxyadenosylcobalamin. Production medium. Beet molasses medium containing glucose as a carbon source is preferred, along with cobalt chloride as a supplement of cobalt. Cobalt chloride is used in a concentration 2 to 10 ppm. Recovery process. Cobalamin formed is a cell bound. It can be solubilized by heat treatment, heating at 80 to 120 degree for about 30 minutes at pH 6.5 to 8.5. It will liberate or separate the vitamin B12 from the cells. Solids and mycelium is then separated by centrifugation or filtration. Cobalamin so obtained is further converted to more stable cyanocobalamin. Cyanocobalamines obtained by this process are about 80% pure and can be directly used as a feed additives or animal feed. Further purification is required to get 95 to 98% pure vitamin B12, which is used for medical purposes. Production can also be done using Pseudomonas species. Pseudomonas denitrificans is the variety of Pseudomonas that is used for large-scale production. Medium containing glucose as a carbon source, along with cobalt chloride and 5,6-dimethyl benzimidazole as supplements are used for fermentative production. Yield with Pseudomonas variety is about 60 mg per liter. Along with methanol as a carbon source, yield is about 42 milligrams per liter. this is it. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.